Dear moms and dads, I am so happy to have you here today inside our reading class with Miss Anita. My name is Miss Anita. I am a teacher with over 8 years of classroom teaching experience and online teaching experience. I have a burning passion for teaching children how to read, and I am here to help your child. I am so happy that your child has successfully completed a level 1, where I hope that they've been able to learn letter sounds from A up to Z. They have learned how to write each letter sound, each letter of the alphabet, and they have fully developed their phonemic awareness skills and have also learned lots of new words. So if your child has not done level 1, I strongly encourage you to go back and first work on this book. Okay? Now, in this video, I want to introduce to you workbook 2. In workbook 2, children are going to use the knowledge of letter sounds they have learned in workbook 1 to learn how to read simple words and sentences. Okay, so yes, this is all about me. Okay, they'll start simple by learning how to blend. The important skill in this book is teaching them how to blend. Blending is when they join letter sounds together to read the word. They'll start simple with learning how to blend two letter sounds together to read the word, like here, at. Okay, after having plenty of practice on blending two letter words, they'll move to 3-letter words, dad. Still here, they'll have plenty of practice so that they become confident. Okay, once they become confident, they'll move to reading simple sentences using their blending and sounding out skills. Okay, like this, as you'll see moving forward in the book. Okay, so this workbook is designed to teach your child to move from knowing letter sounds to learning how to use those letter sounds to read. Okay, it is a perfect tool for any beginning reader. Now, your job as a parent is to make sure that your child completes an activity every day. Okay, and another point is, please make sure that if the child is not yet confident on the activity at hand, for example, if they're doing lesson, maybe they're doing lesson 1 and they found it hard, please do not progress them to lesson 2. Okay, you can come back to this lesson and make sure that they get the concept. Okay, you don't have to rush through the book. Okay, it is self-paced, but just make sure that they get these lessons on a daily. Okay, all right. Okay, together let's help our children become confident reader at an early age. And thank you for purchasing this resource for your child. You've made a very good decision. All right, thanks for watching.